craving for egg sandwich toast. So, bili tayo ng sour bread. And sana open na yung shop kasi Ramadan ngayon. Meron nga pala akong start na habit this month kung saan nagdadala lang ako ng 20 dirham per day. Alam ko hindi siya okay, pero yun yung best way ko para makapag-save ng money. Withdraw ko lahat ng cash ko dahil sa mga nangyayari dito sa Middle East. And yung baon ko lang ngayon is 10 dirham. White sour multigrain. I think ito yung bibili ko. Freshly baked pa siya. Like, ngayon lang siya na-bake. And then, so, we secured our sour bread. And kailangan ko pang maglakad na 20 to 30 minutes bago makauwi. But it's okay. At least matatapos ko na yung half ng steps ko. We have only 5 eggs left. Kailangan ko na mag-grocery. Pero, yeah. I'm gonna cook all the 5 eggs. 3 full egg and 2 egg white. I know. Oh my god, so this is our meal. We have extra eggs, which I love to eat. I love eggs. And ang original plan ko talaga is maglagay ng avocado on top. Pero nakita ko yung presyo ng avocado. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna pay that much. Okay? From 10 dirham, naging 15 dirham ang avocado for 2 pieces. I was like, no. And hindi pa ako sure kung ripe na ba siya. So, first bite.